After you've completed your treatments, you get the green light to go home, and there's a bell that hangs on the wall. It's hard to put the feeling into words. It's like the weight's been lifted off you. I'm Mike Burton. I'm the first one in the world to have a stem cell transplant and then a CAR T therapy transplant within 24 hours.
Mike was originally diagnosed with one of the more common types of aggressive lymphoma, which is called diffuse large B-cell lymphoma.
He had relapsed within a year. Historically, for those patients, we would have given them an autologous stem cell transplant using their own stem cells.
Part of the idea with this clinical trial,
Adding in CAR T-cell therapy after the stem cell transplant.
what if we combined both of those together to try to overwhelm the lymphoma so that we didn't need to come back and sequence them afterwards?
We had all our questions ready to go. We said, well, where was it done and what was the outcome? The response was, this has never been done anywhere else. This is the first time. And so I said, I really don't think this is a good idea.
And I look at her and I said, I've already signed the paper. I'm in 100%.
Stem cell transplant and CAR T therapy, both of them have the potential to cure patients, but both of them are far from perfect.
With a trial like this, especially when you're the first patient on, the bottom line is there's uncertainty, right? It's not everyone that's willing to take that sort of risk to be the first person in on a clinical trial.
It was the unknown at the time. It was the unknown. It's very scary, thinking you're gonna lose your partner.
He participated in this trial, which helped him. He remains in remission and he's doing great. And he also participated with us in furthering the science. In that way, he was also a pioneer.
Reflecting back, having the opportunity to fundraise for City of Hope, never in my wildest dreams would I have thought that one day I'd be a patient. Here we are today, it has come full circle.
Patients like Mike, those are the cases that, it's why we do what we do.
This is the best part of the job. Making a scientific breakthrough, that is incredibly gratifying, but the human satisfaction of just seeing a patient who is ill and seeing them go back to doing the things that give them joy and that give them life, there is no better feeling.
Fancy seeing you here.
How are you?
Good. Good to see you.
Good to be seen. Good to
Yeah. It's not everyone that is willing to be kind of the first person into the trial and first person to get these, new therapies. So it's been an amazing ride.
If it gives us a little bit more time, then it's a win.
Clinical trials are the way that we advance patient care. It's how we find new discoveries. It's how we find new treatments. Having that funding there to be able to build on that progress is the core of clinical research.
We want to cure everyone. Until we get to the day where every single patient is cured of their cancer, there's always more work to be done.
This is direct confirmation of what a trial can do. If anybody is faced with this crazy disease, why wouldn't you come to the City of Hope?